I should take a video of the capybara. Capybara.
There they are.
I'm just a chill guy.
And there's another one there.
There's 3
Look at that big one over there.
Oh, capybara.
Oh, there's more. There's another one there. There's 5 of them.
Oh, there's 5 capybaras.
And there's one really dangerous one over here next to me.
I'm not a capybara. You're a capybara.
What sort of endangered species are you?
I'm a capybara.